Okay guys, so in this video we are going to discuss about Postman application, which is quite useful while developing Node.js and the server-side applications. Okay, so for that, first go to your browser and search for Postman and hit enter. So the first ever link which you are going to see here, which is Postman, the collaboration platform of API development. Click there. Now here you will click the download the app. Click here, it's free app, so you don't have to pay anything. Okay, now if you can download here, you have to choose your own version, which is maybe 32-bit or 64-bit. Hope you know that how to check your Windows version. If you don't, let me walk you through. Go to my PC. What the heck is happening? Go to my PC or this PC maybe, or maybe you can use this one also. Go to this PC, right click there and go to properties. And here you can see that which type of version you have is 64-bit operating system. Okay, so you can use that. Okay, so now you're good to go. Now you can download here easily. I have already downloaded that, so I'm not going to download it for you. Okay, so you go ahead and have some patience and download this one. Okay, after downloading, search on the search here Postman and you click here. It will open. After opening it, now you're ready to go. So coming back to our application which we have created in the previous video, if you haven't watched that previous video, go ahead and watch that, because if you are not familiar with the previous video, then you will quite having difficulties in understanding these topics. Okay, so go ahead and watch the previous video. Okay, so I am assuming that you have watched my previous video, that is this one, programming your first server. After that, you can follow this one also without any problem. Okay, uh, now this is our server. So first we have to run our server. Okay, node nodemon and hit enter. And here it is listening to the server. Now you can go ahead and localhost, maybe 300 is the port or what. Let me see. It's 8000. Okay, so we have to put out the port here, 8000, uh, and hit enter. Now we're displaying home page. Now if you want to, you can also open this one via Postman also. Postman is one kind of browser. Okay, which renders the same thing, but it is not formatted. Okay, it renders HTML headers and pretty much everything that developers requires. Okay, like header files. Here you can see body also, pre-request script. You can also run scripts here. Okay, you can majorly send all kind of requests here, like get, post, put, patch, delete, copy. All these are kind of requests that you can send to the browser. Not every request is sent to the browser. Some of them are sent only, not every only get request is sent to the browser, and the rest of them are sent through the sent through your code. But Using Postman, you can send all of your requests and debug your code. Let's say you are having some kind of problem in your code, then you can use Postman to debug it. Let's say you want to send a post request to a route, but if you use a browser, then you will not be able to do so. So that in that case, Postman is handy. Okay, because through the Postman you can make any of the requests and you can easily debug your code. Okay, so that's why we use Postman in order to debug our code efficiently. Okay, hope you got my point. Now let me proceed further. This one is the home page, and if you have visit our next part, which is about, and hit enter, it's our about page. Now let's suppose we want to see to our Postman route. So what we have to do? Just cut that. Sorry, I'm not going to color because another project is going on there. So click on new tab here and go through it. Uh, See friends, here we are making a get request. Okay, so we just have to copy this one and this route, and now which type request is making get, because from the browser we can only make get request. Okay, we can never make post request or put request or patch request using our browser. So we are here we are making get request. Okay, so we have to choose get here and send. Now you can see here it is writing about, and if you click on the raw, it's about. Preview, then it's about. Then preview is what? It's like HTML, like it decorates it and some and cookies. So we haven't provided any cookies, so there is no cookie. Uh, hope you know that what's the cookie. If you don't know that, let me know in the comment section. I will make a video devoted to that one also. Mm, the test results, there is no test results. I have done, and status 200 means okay. Hope you know about the HTTP status codes, like 200 is okay, 404 is page not found. So here status is okay, 200 means okay. Now let's say if you turn off that server, okay, like Control C, okay, and then if we run that again, now it will give us an error. Okay, why? Because server is not running. Here it is. Could not get any response. Error in connecting, and you can see that here you are getting some kind of error. Why? Because our server is stopped. So here you can make request to of any kind of website. Okay, let us make a request to Google Chrome. Okay, so just type here http://www.google.com and hit enter, and you can see whole Google page is being obtained like this. Okay, and if we go to raw, here it is. Okay, so much content out there of the Google, or if you can see pretty, it prettifies, it's format all the codes, like highlighting syntax and other things like that. Okay, so and headers, you got some kind of headers, and cookies, you can see here what kind of cookies there for you. There's nothing, no cookies. Simply if I log into amazon.com and hit enter, here you will also find a lot of things out there. Okay, like this one, Amazon content type, body, a lot more out there. So hope you got the point at why Postman is beneficial for us, because we can make here any kind of request, not only get, post, put, patch, uh, and other stuff like that. Because without Postman we will find difficult to debug our code whenever we are stuck in some kind of problem. So in that case, Postman is useful. Uh, Now, if you want to save this route for later use, you can also do that by clicking on save. Okay. Now you can make this request anyone, like I'm in Amazon, and creating a collection like my test route. Okay, and creating that collection. Okay, and saving that. Okay, so after we have saved that, we don't need to go through and write a whole bunch of things like http://amazon.com. We just have to click this one, and it will like this. It's creating a folder, and under that one route, which is Amazon. And if you click that, let's say we have closed this one. and if you click that, it will open that for you. and and if you send the request, you will get the desired request, right? Like this one. But remember, if you put here some kind of post request, if you send that, it is also done because there is some kind of error. Okay, because it is not meant for the post request. Okay, for post request there is some other routes which is allotted for it. Okay, so you have to be specific. Okay, which kind of request you are making. Okay, like here it has been said that method not allowed means on the post, it has no route on post. Okay, so that's why it is saying that the method is not allowed. You can't, it's saying that hey, you can't make a post request on this one. Okay, so we'll learn about it later on. Okay, till now we have learned so much about the Postman out. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, do hit a like and subscribe to my channel. And if you find it helpful, then do share it with your friends. Okay. Uh, More amazing content is coming on. Okay. And do let me know in the comment section that which type of content you want, which type of tutorials you want. Okay. I'll make all on that. Okay. Thanks for watching this video.